Big things are happening at Lambton College. The new residence project is rising fast, and we are capturing every stage from above. HarborSky Imaging, bringing you a front row, aerial view of the progress, the scale, and the transformation happening right here in Sarnia, Ontario. From steel and concrete to the energy of crews in drone photography reveals the full story of construction like never before. Every flight captures progress. Every angle showcases growth. At HarborSky Imaging, we specialize in cinematic area, progress photograph, photography, and videography for construction and commercial projects across Ontario. This is more than just a construction site. It's the future taking shape. Stay tuned for more updates from above.